If you have a hiccup on a path, there are two tools that you can use to repair it. On the toolbar, under where the type is, so there's my rectangle, my pencil, here's the eraser. We're going to talk about eraser, and we're going to talk about, under this, the scissors tool. Let's start with eraser first. This is newer in Illustrator. I can change the size of my eraser with the bracket key, just like I could a brush or eraser in Photoshop. And if you take the eraser and drag along the side, it will reform the path using the path that you just drew as a guideline. So if I go like that, see, I'll get a curve. If I go through a shape, it will create two shapes out of it. So it's kind of fun, but often this is not actually what you're trying to do. More likely, you're going to have a place where you had a hiccup on your path, where you drew, you have a straight line, or perhaps it's not as curvy as you need to be. And in that case, we're going to use the scissors tool, not eraser. So just like you would expect a pair of scissors to work, you're going to click and cut. Oops. Let's try again right there. There you go. You're going to click on your path, and you're going to click another place on your path. And if you notice now, this piece is selected as opposed to this piece. See how that's changing? Okay. So now we can just click delete, and it will delete that line. Now I have a stray piece happening there too. We can get rid of that. And now I can take my pen tool. Let's have no fill happening there. We can attach again. Remember, I need that slash to be showing on the pen tool. And then the circle to close, and you can redraw and fix whatever needs to happen. Okay? So again, we take the scissors, we click on a path, click on the second place that you want to cut. Notice this is now selected and that part's not. So I'm going to select the part I want to delete. Just push the delete key. Sometimes you have to do it twice though. See how I still have anchors? So I'll do a second time. Now I can take my pen tool, attach, and then connect. And do as many anchors as you need to in the middle. It doesn't have to be a right away to attach. And so that's how we're going to use the eraser and the scissors tool to correct and edit lines that you've made.